Here's the midday update for February 22nd, 2011. Due to the gap down and the upward two, downward three setup in the Nasdaq, may have to look at 0.618 support because it broke right through 27.95 and it's continued near the lows at around 2:13 p.m. Eastern time. Anyway, 27.35 approximately is around 0.618 of the move from 26.77 to 28.40. So yeah, 27.35. You have to watch that level. If it breaks that, we might even test the previous four at around 26.77. That's a worst case scenario. For S&P, the 0.68 support levels is 1300 in S&P with a retracement from 1275 to 1344. So if you break the 1300, you might have to test 1277 to the downside or the previous four support. So that it's gonna be a fifth wave up, and we might retrace back to the previous four at worst. For the Dow, this is not as bad as S&P and Nasdaq, but 0.6 support is around 12,050. And if it breaks through 12,015 this week, we might have to test 11,750 to the downside, which is the previous four. I'm 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 uh I'm guessing right now in S&P and Nasdaq that we might even test the previous four because this could be five waves up. Wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and then wave five. Let's go back a little further. 6 months. Let's see. Yeah, wave one, wave two, wave three, flat four, wave five. Yeah. So yeah, it looks like we completed five waves up going back to November approximately. So we might even test the previous four. Let me see, Nasdaq. Same thing probably. Yeah. Wave one, wave two, wave three, flat four, wave five. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at right now. But the RSI is resetting down to below 50, which is great. You gotta have that. You have the RSI actually hit 80, and it's resetting the RSI back down to near 50. And whenever it goes below 50 or around 50, then the rally reignites again. So I'm not thinking this is probably like probably the last couple days. I don't think it's a long term big nasty like end of the world correction. Just probably a blip in a bull market. That's a wrap.